echar tanta. Ay, cabrón, entrometido, man. It's beautiful.
See, that's why I don't work here anymore. That's how he talked to me for 6 months.
See, I'm trying not to. I'm gonna weld it right now.
Okay.
He's making too much fucking fumes. That's why I stopped. You stop because of the fucking phone. Why stop? Because I don't want to do it anymore.
Now is not the time to get that dirt.
Why should we know? Why?
Number one, it's already rained enough that it's really wet. It makes it very heavy and sticky and harder to shovel and wheelbarrow.
No.
And it's supposed to rain.
Wrong.
Tomorrow morning it's supposed to rain for the next 5 days.
Wrong all the time. Yes, no. The dirt, when you have a pile of dirt, usually if it rains, the first layer of the dirt on top gets wet.
Right.
It gets muddy,
Yes.
sticky.
Yes.
But as soon as you dig about this much, down under, it's dry.
Yeah, in the beginning. But we
A mí me vale verga. I checked it on Sunday.
You did, okay. Okay.
I went and dig.
But
This
it's gonna
is so
start-
fucking soft.
Okay, good. But it's going to start raining tomorrow, and it's supposed to rain every day for 5 days.
I don't give a damn. That's why they invented the tarp. You know those blue tarp. Some
Yeah,
come in this
the-
color.
yes, covered.
Some comes in this.
Yes.
It's covered.
Oh, okay, good.
I think it makes it. Mira, güey, si me tumba, pongo los pisos. Vato, me machucaste un huevo, no mames, güey. Ya sabes agarrar un guy. You know that dirt is the thing that takes back to the dirt from good or bad. Yeah? Yeah, I might be beautiful.